In this video, I'm going to be looking at the directions for free response question 2, and I'm going to point out some things that you can focus on that will give you some direction in terms of where you can go with your essay. So here are the directions for this particular essay. So the directions say, in this excerpt from Thomas Hardy's The Mayor of Casterbridge, 1886, Michael Henchard and his daughter Elizabeth Jane are reunited after years of estrangement. During the separation, Henchard has risen from poor seasonal farm worker to wealthy mayor of a small country town, while Elizabeth has supported herself by waiting on tables at a tavern. So if I'm paying attention to these directions, I'm picking up on one possible core idea already, and that's social class. We've got one person who has risen from poor seasonal farm worker, and his daughter has spent that time supporting herself by waiting on tables. So social class is obviously going to play an important role in this passage, and that gives me a direction already. I think a lot of the times they're going to provide you some context for these passages that give you an idea to focus on, and that's what they've done here. If I'm paying attention, I see social class already. Okay, next part. Read the passage carefully, paying particular attention to tone, word choice, and selection of detail. Compose a well-written essay in which you analyze Hardy's portrayal of the complex relationship between the two characters. So I'm focusing on the relationship, and they are pointing out that tone, word choice, and specific detail will inform this complex relationship. Now, that doesn't mean I can't use other techniques or I can't focus on other techniques if I notice them, but they're saying that these are in there for you. Okay, so having read the directions carefully, I feel confident that I have a direction in terms of main idea, in terms of thesis, and I have direction in terms of techniques that I can focus on. Now I've got to figure out how I'm going to break the passage up and how I'm going to approach the reading of the passage, and that will be our next video. Mindeman out.